Question 6. So here are two lists of numbers. So we've got list A and we've got list B. As you notice here, we've got a missing number in here. And it says mean of list A to the ratio of mean of list B is equal to 3 to 5. And they basically want us to work out the value of x. Okay, so obviously to work out the mean, you're going to add all the numbers and divide them by how many there are. So we're going to write mean of list A. And then we're going to write mean of list B. Okay, so to work out the mean of list A, that's literally going to be 276 plus 400 plus 157 plus 139 divided by 4, because there's 4 numbers in total. And that equals 243. Same methodology for list B. So we're going to do 530 plus 500 plus 270 plus x plus 440 plus 320. And we're dividing it by 6 because there's 6 numbers in total. And that is equal to 2060 plus x over 6. Okay, so from this part onwards, we know that the ratio of list A to B is 3 to 5. So again, we can write mean A and mean B. So the ratio is 3 to 5. So far, we have the ratio of list A to be 243. And then we know that the ratio of list B is 2060 plus x divided by 6. Okay, so the next thing that you can do is basically work out what the multiplier is. About how would you get from 3 to 243? So you can quickly type in your calculator 243 divided by 3, which is equal to 81. That means that to get from that 3 to that 243, you're times them by 81. Remember, because this ratio, you have to do the same thing on the other side. So times by 81, let me highlight it so you know where we're getting the 81 from. Work out what all of this part is equal to. Okay, so we know that this is equal to 243. If you do 5 times 81, that should give you 405. Means that the mean for B is equal to 405, which means that all of this part here, which is 2060 plus x over 6, has to equal to 405. And this is basically how you're going to work out what x is equal to. So again, you can cross multiply. What I'm going to do is make this slightly smaller so it is not in the way and we have space to do our workings out. There you go. Okay, so you will have 2060 plus x is equal to 2430. And then again, you're solving for x, so you're going to get rid of the 2060 on the other side, and then x is going to be equal to 370. So your final answer is 370.